In today's video, I want to show you how you can sort files by size in Google Drive, so then you can know which files are taking most of your storage. So firstly, if you went to maybe your Drive and you try to sort it from here, you can't sort it from here because there is not option to sort by file size. You can only see the file size here. But what you have to do is you want to click on storage here, and this will redirect you to this quota URL. So you can either type this in your search bar, or you can just click on this storage, and here you can see how much storage is used for each file. And if you want to sort this from small to large, just click on this and you can see the smallest file. If you want to see the largest one, you can click on it again. Here you can see, for example, this video has 250 megabytes. Now, if you want to remove this, you can click on this trash icon, but keep in mind this is going to only move the file into the bin. So if you want to completely permanently remove this, you want to go to bin, and here you want to click on empty bin, and it will delete the file forever. And this is basically how you can sort your files by size in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.